My name is Elisa Aist. The national parks in the United States are our ultimate backyards, places of natural mystery, locations of scientific inquiry for all ages. The summers I have spent hiking, kayaking, backpacking, and camping in the national parks of the United States hold the most memorable moments from my childhood. To pick a favorite is impossible, but one that holds special significance is the Klondike Gold Rush National Park, the Chilkoot Trail, or as they refer to it, the meanest 33 miles of history. I was given the opportunity to hike this historic trail when I was 13 years old. As I walked through time, I analyzed the water and learned about the history of the trail. The bits of mining equipment, shoes, and old rusted metal scraps along the trail engaged the imaginations of my brother and I. The memories made in national parks are ones we carry with us for the rest of our lives, and I intend to help future generations create their own memories in the same national parks.
Well, I took a walk